What's happening, guys? Coming live from the feet. We got the BC3s on. Imagine doing this and your car's not there. And look at the end, man. This shit looking clean after the wax. That red is hitting. TEs are hitting. Should be having some cool funtivities today. Finally, my carbon lip spoiler is in. I'm gonna go pick that up. If they have time to put it on, I'll probably just have them do it. If not, I'm probably gonna just wait until I repaint the rear bumper and then I'll have my boy put this on. I would just do this myself, but I don't have the tool to get all the adhesive off. This is OEM, so I know that thing's on there hella good, and yeah, I don't want to scratch up my paint. So I will let someone professionally do that, because knowing me, I'm really impatient and I just like to get shit done, and I'll probably scratch the shit out of the whole trunk. Yo, if anybody needs a Q50 hood, I have a Q50 hood here. It's black under the wrap. I also have Q50 trunk. I have a stock M2 hood in mineral gray. HR hood is not for sale, but the Q50 hood, Q50 trunk, and the M2 hood, just hit the DM. I'll give you a good deal on it. Wow, I actually don't need gas. That is amazing. Weather kicks again with the forecast. Today's not so beautiful, but I don't mind the weather. It's a little wet, a little damp on the roads, as you guys can see, so California drivers beware. Damn, Civic been in that corner. Oh shit, you gotta stay away from that guy right there. Those are not the ones. Look, he already looking at my car. He was already looking, bro. Look at him. Hit that exhaust on his ass. Confuse him a bit. Yeah, the motorcycle cops, bro, those are the ones that'll literally fuck you. Those are the state rep guys right there.
Well, out here in California, you're not allowed to have any modifications to your exhaust. You can't have tips, you can't have a resonator delete, you can't have a high flow cat, none of that. Boy, you got any of that, I send you right to the state referee, get that inspected.
For real, man, our laws out here are retarded, I'm not gonna lie. I love California, I'm probably never gonna move, it's just something I have to deal with, but our laws out here are like ridiculous. They're trying to ban lawnmowers. Like, what? If it's me being honest, them trying to ban like lawnmowers and like garden tools, they're just trying to push the illegals out, honestly, because they know that the Mexicans be cutting grass, doing construction and all that. They just trying to drive them out, bro. It's crazy. Racist ass goddamn world we live in, man. Like, we all people, man. We all bleed the same color. Shit is ridiculous. But, anyways, guys, yeah, so I'm on my way to my guys over at ABS Auto Body. They have the trunk spoiler for me. And my boy in the Apollo flying. I got something exciting for the GTR. When I get back home, I'm gonna put my new intakes on. They're not just regular intakes. We got some titanium intakes, man. This company hooked me up on. I'll be installing those later when I get back home. Excited to put those on. It's gonna look pretty sick in the engine bay. Then after that, later on today, I'm gonna be dropping off my S15 finally. My boy Charles has been super busy. He's a one-man shop. You know, I can't rush the guy. He just needs to change a few things on the turbo kit for the S15 so we can finally like get this thing finished. Like, I would say honestly, it's pretty much done. The car runs, it turns on. We fixed the issue that we were having. The thing that sucks is even when I get it running, I'm probably not really gonna be driving it like that until I figure out my registration. My registration expired and it's registered in Florida, so I don't know, I'm gonna have some shit to figure out. So when I do get it back, I'm probably not gonna be driving it like that until I get my registration straight. I'm already like risking it driving it with registration, so with no registration, I'm really not trying to risk getting that car impounded. So I need to figure that out. But yeah, man, got a pretty productive day. Later on, I'm gonna hit the shop and probably gonna clean out the inside of the S15. It's like hella messy in there. There's wires and harnesses all over the place. We're getting closer, man. I know it's been a long wait. Trust me, I want to drive these cars more than you want to see me drive them. I get blown up every day. Like, bro, update on the G, update on the S15, update on the Z. Doing what I can, man. And then the funny thing is, you know, like, just because like my shit takes longer, or it's taking me longer to do something, people will be like, oh, bro, Adam LZ gets his shit done like that. I'm like, okay, do I look like Adam LZ? Like, oh, Mike will get it done faster. Like, do I look like Mike? Like, we all have different people working on our shit. We all got different hookups, different people. Like, it doesn't work like that. Like, just because someone else does something faster doesn't mean that I'm gonna get it done faster or just as fast. It don't work that way. That's just like saying, oh, that guy's rich, but you're not. Like, okay. Working to get there, that's all that matters. We still doing something. All right, guys, just scoop it up. Very nice, very nice. Definitely need that, man. It's gonna look so much better. So yeah, I'm not gonna put that on probably until I get my bumper repainted. I'll just have my boy do it for me. But let's head home and get these intakes on the GTR. I passed this Hellcat. You know, I'm just cruising, minding my business. He's like trying so hard to catch up to me right now. I'm gonna do a 3 honk and just let him race himself. Anybody trying to race you in this slow ass car? I'll go home and get the ETR. I didn't want none of that smoke. I told you, here he comes. Damn, I should just get off on him in traffic. That's why I like to have fast cars, because it'd be bully ass motherfuckers like him. Alright guys, we made it back. And of course, 3 minutes before I got home, it started raining. Just enough to probably have spots all over the car. But it's alright, it's alright. Alright guys, here it is. These are the titanium intakes for the GTR. Very nice, very nice. You know me, man. I love me some titanium. Sheesh. Oh man, that is beautiful, bro. Art. Beautiful. See, got the other one here. Some nice new filters. Plus 30 horsepower. Clean. Some couplers. Here's the other one. I can't open this with one hand, but give me a second. Straight up beautiful. Your boy got some Tomei intakes on the ETR. So nice. And here we have, one second. Yeah, this is nice. Ah, come on, little bitch. Very nice. So here we have a nice black, clean looking coolant reservoir. You guys know that OEM one is like super ugly ass yellow. It looks like a, that should look like an old ass milk carton. So yeah, man. So we have the titanium intakes and we have this nice coolant reservoir. Huge shout out to GMS Racing over in Utah. I'll link their Instagram right here. I'll actually put their website down there in the description. Luckily, if you guys have an R35 and you watch the channel, you are in luck. I actually have a nice promo code for you guys for 30% off any of their intakes or their coolant reservoirs. The promo code is going to be Fresh Kicks R35. That's 2 I's and 2 H's. I'll put it down here so you guys can double check that. Yeah, man, 30% off. Hit their site if you guys are interested in some of these titanium intakes or the coolant reservoir. Holla at them, man. Huge shout out to them for hooking me up on this. This is gonna look super clean in the engine bay. All right, guys, I got my little doctor light on. It's a little dark in here. It's kind of raining outside, so I don't want to open the garage. But here we have the intakes. I already have just plain whatever, regular ass intakes. And here's that ugly ass coolant reservoir, bro. It's like so ugly. So yeah, man, let's see the glow up. Get a good look. Okay. And I'll be back. Guys, it's all finished up. It looks so clean. Sorry it's dark in here, but you guys get the point. It looks super good. And it looks a lot better with this black reservoir. Just the whole engine bay in general. Doesn't look off. But this one right here, it just looks like retarded. Oh sheesh. That is that, man. It looks a lot cleaner. Big shout out to GMS Racing for hooking me up on that coolant. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, well bro, why didn't you get these ones? Those are a lot more expensive. This has brackets for the sensors and all that bullshit. And it goes like all the way down. That'd be very expensive. I mean, some people do it, you know, I've seen it done, but you know, there's some baller ass motherfuckers, but yeah, it looks super clean, man. I'm happy with it. Just straightforward and clean. There she is. I see my baby in there. Damn, dog. It's clean. You know I love me some Nismo stocks. Those wheels are sick, bro. I don't care what anybody says. Like, stock wheel, those wheels are fire. I even tried to put them on the GTR once upon a time, but it didn't fit. Offset too low. Alright guys, we're getting closer to getting this thing running. I can't wait. We need to add the O2s. This coolant line is getting modified so that way it can go down. I'm gonna have to move this wastegate over here somewhere. This needs to be modified because, and the manifold is extremely close to the alternator plug. That's not good. But yeah, most of the stuff is my fault because I gave him the motor naked with like no harness on it. So he basically built the kit with a naked motor. So that was my fault. But yeah. Yeah, this looks like shit, but whatever, it works. Yeah, it's not really too much. It's just kind of moving things around and changing it up. But yep, gotta clean this shit out. Look at that beautiful thing. Dusty as hell, still beautiful. Oh yup, you already know. I told me, dog. Oh, cleaned out the inside a bit. Shit was hella messy. But yeah, we are taking it tomorrow. We were gonna take it tonight, but yeah, we're gonna take it tomorrow. So sick. Alright, well guys, we will be back here tomorrow in the morning so we can drop this thing off. I should be able to finish it up in a couple weeks. It's not like too much to do on it, so I'm excited, man. I can't wait to get that back. And then honestly, all we have to do when we get it back is just, you know, some of the little stuff, throw the dash back in, tune it, and then blow it up. Pull the motor out, put another motor, and yeah.